Number 27, there's a foul committed by... Number 5. No. Number 8. No good. Number 8 again. Block. Steal by number 0. Number 4. To number 0. No good. Rebound by number 19. To number 23. Trinidad again. Number 5 to number 9. Naku mo! Number 27, 2 points. Ang bilis. Number 5, Canceran to number 9. No good. Rebound by number 8. To number 27. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 23 to number 8, 10 seconds to shoot. Shot!
Nakakita ko nga na.
Steal! Number 23 fires, no good. Rebound by number 0 to number 5. Number 5, there's a foul. First try. Go. Second try, go good again. Rebound by number 19 to number 27. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds on the third period. 15 seconds to shoot. Short. Rebound by number 5. Steal by number 27 to number 19. Using that last 2 points. Number 9 to number 5. Number 5 goes inside. 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Powerful. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Number 5, short. Number 9. To number 5. Extra pass. 2 points. Number 13, Azares. Number 5 to number 9. No good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23 fires. In and out. Steal. Running seconds. Third period. Number 5 to number 1 with the long 3, no good. Number 5, block, but there's a foul. First try. Basket. Number 27. 2 points! Number 23 to number 0. No good. Pick up by number 5. There's a foul going in back. Huh? Number 5, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a penalty. Trinidad with a 10 seconds to shoot. And good play. Basket. Hey.